Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Kentucky 4-H virtual experience. Today, we're going to be focusing on healthy recipes out of our teen cuisine curriculum. My name is Isaac Hilp, and I'm the State 4-H specialist for healthy living. I want to introduce Anna-Beth, who's going to be teaching us how to make yogurt orange dip.
Hi, I'm Anna-Beth Webster, and today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt orange dip. This is my favorite dip. To start off, I'm going to start off by cutting an apple to go with my dip. So first, you're going to cut it vertically down. Then you're going to lay it on its flat sides, and I think of it as kind of cutting it like a star. And you're going to do this to both of the halves. So you can cut down the middle, then on the right side, and the left side. And then this knife you won't need again. So next, I take out the cores of the apple. So I use a paring knife, and you just go from front to back on each of them, like this. And I have a plate already there, so I can just go ahead and set the apples on it. And you're going to want to cut the core out of all of the apples. So now once you're done with that, I go ahead and I throw away all of the core. And now to the best part of the whole video, the orange dip. So to start off, you're going to want to have a 1/4 cup of yogurt. You're just going to put this in a bowl. Next, you're going to want to have 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And this just gives it the dip consistency. 1, 2. Next, the very last thing is the cinnamon. You just need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This just gives it a little extra flavor. Then you're going to want to mix it all up, and this dip is really good for parties, family reunions, pretty much any little thing that you go to. It's very simple, and it is very, very, very easy to make. So I'm just going to stir up, and this is probably one of my favorite dips. And now you're all done, and this is what it should look like. Enjoy!
Thank you for joining us today for another Kentucky virtual experience focused on healthy living. For more information regarding our health programs and projects, check out your local University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. Have a wonderful day.